Hello, my name is Ms. Madison Johnson, and I'm going to be making a video for the video essay part 1, the endocrine glands. Here I have my representation. Obviously it's a little backwards, so I'll go ahead and point them out. So right here we have the anterior pituitary gland. It's obviously the front because it's anterior, posterior pituitary is in the back. We have the thyroid gland right here in the neck. And on kind of like on the wings, we have the parathyroid gland. Down here, these two little tubules, they're called your adrenal glands. And lastly, we have your pancreas. A nice little description there, my little art drawing. So for each gland, there are certain hormones with certain functions. I went through the lab manual. I'm just kind of going over it. Did my research here. So I'm going to go ahead and go over that. So for the anterior pituitary gland up here, it's got 4 hormones. Now, obviously, I'm going to be looking down at my paper because that's where all my knowledge is. So the first one, we have the thyroid stimulating hormone. It's secretion of thyroid hormone, obviously. Follicle stimulating hormone, estrogen production, and sperm production. The luteinizing hormone. It produces estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. And some of these words are not going to come out of my mouth as smooth. So I've got the adrenocorticotropic hormone, which stimulates the release of glucocorticoids. Hopefully I said that right. Alright, so the posterior pituitary back here on the other side of that gland, there's 2 hormones. We got oxytocin, which stimulates the contractions during childbirth and stimulates milk lactation, or as some others know it as the letdown after giving birth. It also has the antidiuretic hormone, which stimulates your kidneys basically to get more water. And then we're going to come over here to your thyroid gland, and the hormones that produces is 2. It's got T4 and T3. I put that as one category, but that increases your BMR and tissue growth and development in the body. And then the other hormone is calcitonin, which as of right now shows that there's really no effects or roles on the human body, which is kind of odd. And then on the back of that, or on the wings, we kind of have the parathyroid gland right here. That has 1 hormone, which is the parathyroid hormone, and it increases the blood calcium. Then we got the good old pancreas down here, your pancreas glands, which has 2 hormones, your insulin, which accelerates transport of glucose and permits glycogen, and then glucagon, which accelerates the breakdown of glycogen to glucose. Alright, and then lastly have our adrenal glands, which contains 3 hormones, the zonas. So again, excuse my pronunciation of this. So zona glomerulosa, it increases reabsorption of sodium in your kidneys. Zona vasculata promotes the breakdown of fats and proteins and inhibits immunity in the body. And the zona reticularis stimulates female body growth. So that's what I've got for my video essay 1. Yeah, excuse my, again, pronunciation and my messy handwriting here. Thank you for your time.